Okay, another node from profile is a shaper. You have to give another node and give it to the shaper, and it change the shape, actually the curveness, more sharp or more bulky of your mountain. For example, right click, type mountain. This is our mountain node. For better understanding, you can auto level it. Then yeah, I think this level is nice, or you can clamp it. This is our mountain, this is our shaper with these settings. Connect output of your mountain to the shaper, and then this is our mountain, this is our shaper. Okay, I think a little auto refresh. Okay, let's change the settings. As you can see, the shape is 0%. It means nothing happened. You can increase the number of the shaper. As you can see, it's create more bulky wave here, like a collapse U. As you can see, it's more bulkier, or decrease the number of that. As you can see, it's created more sharp angle from here. Look at the mountain, sharp angle. If you want to preserve the main shape of your base node, for example, in this example is a mountain, you can activate local effects. As you can see, it preserved the main shape and just smoothing out, for example, more bulky, or you can change the power of these local effects more and change it if you want to maintain. Or you can click and activate maintain fine details. You can activate the fine details, maintain fine details. You can change the level of details there. Okay, this is just simple shaper. It's shaping changes sharpness or more bulky, bumpy of your mountain curve actually here. If you look at your mountain from this direction, it's changing in this direction or in this direction. Change the shape of your mountain. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.